What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Home Guide Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $100 in the matter of minutes. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of time. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and walk through it step by step. Now, what I want to also address is you may have seen other videos kind of on the same topic, but they're missing a big section of exactly how to make the money. All right, so I'm going to walk you through it step by step, show you on the computer exactly how you do it. So let's go. Alright guys, before I get into the video, I just want to say if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so now. Click on the button subscribe today. Also, we're almost at 95,000 subscribers. The goal is to get to 100,000, so hopefully we can get there. But let's jump into the video. So what can you do to make $100, okay, in the matter of minutes? What could you do? Well, I'm going to show you what you can do. We're going to use Etsy, which is a very easy to use website, and you can make a very good amount of income from this very simple website. So let me show you how you do it. First thing you need to understand, on Etsy, there's a bunch of ways you can make money. You could sell different products, you can sell, different things, you can ship all this stuff, but what I have found is the best way is to ship anything that is printable, okay? Anything that's printable. Now, in my opinion, the best stuff are going to be, wedding invitations are great. You can make some good money on that. But doing anything for babies, for brides, things like that are incredible. Okay, let me show you. Give an example. Bridal shower printable. That's all I'm gonna type. Okay. Here's the reason why. You can do bridal shower games. You can do questions and answers. Okay, things like, look at this. Let me show you right here. This one's selling for $8.99. Has sold 368 things, or 368 reviews on it. Let's click on that. This is a 10-in-1, and guess what? It's instantly downloadable. You download it. So you're probably wondering, well, I don't have any of that stuff. How can I make any money? Okay, I'm gonna show you that in a second, but let me show you how simple this is. Okay, look here. We got bridal emoji Pictionary. He said, she said, groom and bride. How well do you know bride to be? Would she rather? Okay, a bunch of games. Porn or polish, bridal Mad Libs, bridal bingo. Okay, 10 games in one right here for $8.99. Let me just show you what you can make off $8.99. All right. So if it's $8.99, it costs 20 cents to create the listing. Okay, but we'll factor that in the end. But it costs 5% for your transaction fees. So 45 cents, okay? It also costs 3% for the payment processing, okay? So that's, 27 cents. Plus a 25-cent fee, okay? So 51 cents plus, 50 cents or something like that. So let's say $1. So 8.99 minus $1 for fees equals minus 20 cents for the listing. So off $8.99, you would make $7.79. Okay, so if you sold 13 of those, you'd end up making $100. $7.79. Okay, you see that? $7.79 times. Well, if you sold one a day, you'd make $233 at the end of the month. That is a good business. Now, here's how you actually create this stuff. Now, what I'm going to show you right now is just how to create the different design. All right, so this is all we're going to do. So if we come here and we see, okay, this is what we want. We'll zoom in on that a little bit. Maybe we want to do bridal bingo. All you do is come over to a free website called canva.com, okay? And we can start with a blank header. We can create a different design. Let's do custom dimensions. Or we can even search and see, do they have something like that? I don't think they do, okay? Pretty sure they don't, but you could also look and see. Let's say we want it, the width we want at, let's do 1200, height, let's do 400, okay? That's gonna be our design right here, okay? So it's a little small, it looks more like something like that, okay? But we could do something like that, okay? Or we could even change it up. Let's go home, we can even change it up, and let's say we're gonna do something more basic. Let's just, okay, width, let's do width 600, we'll do height 1200. Okay, that's probably better size right there. Okay, that's all we're gonna do. And then what you can do, you can come over here and you can pick your different things. So different elements right here, We can pull a template, we can do text, we can do background, gives us a bunch of stuff. Okay? Let's say we're going to pick an element and we're going to scroll down and we just want some lines. Okay? We just want some lines right here. So what we could do is take this whole thing, move it up. Okay? We could take this thing right here. Oops. We'll just bring another line in. Same thing. Bring another line in. Bring another line in. Okay, this would be the bingo game. Bring another line in. We're going to actually twist that one. Make it right at 90. Bring that in. Put it over here. Okay. Then we can do the exact same thing. Like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy that. Move it over. Copy that one. Move it over. You get the idea. Then you can start seeing, okay, now it's looking like something. And if our goal was to create this little bingo thing, we're getting there. All right, we're getting there. It's going to take a little bit, okay? When I said it's going to take minutes, this is the hardest part, is you have to create your different design, okay? You have to create this. Now, this might take you 30, 60 minutes, something like that. But once you have it, that's where you can start to sell it. That's where you can come up here. You can click sell on Etsy. You can add your listing right here, okay? It's really simple. Look at this one, bridal shower games. Looks like there's two. Would you rather? Okay, would she rather? Would she rather? Okay, look at that. That's it. Would you rather read a book or watch a movie? Okay, and people are going to go and answer those questions. But that's the cool part, is you can sell this. Okay, now this one right here, it's printable. It says rustic craft paper. My guess is people are just going to print it on regular white paper. So it's going to look something more like this. Little hearts. Okay, great. Awesome. Looks cool. Okay. But if you need, let's see, graduate, printable. Graduation wishes, graduation print, grad student, graduation party games. You get the idea. Okay. Anything printable should be good. Okay. Well, wedding, that's kind of bridal shower. So 15 pack, bundle deal, blush foil donut. Okay. Gold wedding door hangers. Okay. You get the idea. You just got to create different stuff like this. Okay. But how do you go and promote it? How do you get the sales? There's one way I can get a sale for you. I'm going to show you that in just a second. So now that I've shown you what you can sell and how to sell it, where to put it, which platform to use, now what I want to do, I'm going to show you how to market that particular page, that listing, to get some sales. And this is not complicated, it's not complex. I'm going to show you how in just a second. But I want to give you some tips. The first tip I want to give you is, if you create one listing for bridal showers and you have a bunch of printable games or bridal shower questions and answers, something like that, that's fine. But if you only have one, your chances of hitting that $100 at the end of the month is very, very slim. Okay, slim to none. Okay, you need to have multiple listings. I'm not saying you can make $100 per day doing this exact same method, but what I am saying is you can easily make $100 in the course of a month by selling these little printable games and questions and designs and stuff like that. But you have to be consistent, and you need to have more than just one listing. The second tip that I have for you guys is go onto Etsy, okay? Spend the time, go to Etsy.com and look. All right, what is this person doing? Okay, maybe they have just a great little design and they have a great listing. That's cool, but maybe their pricing could be better. Maybe they need a little bonus to go with it, another printable bonus. Maybe they have the bridal shower games plus the bonus, which is they're gonna have bridal shower questions and answers. Things like that you bundle two things together. That's going to be a better seller than just selling one thing at a time. And you can usually ask a little bit more money for it. So let me show you how you can market that over on the computer. So let's go. All right, so how do you get a sale? Well, first you can go and get a sale by just waiting, and hopefully somebody types in exactly what they want and they find you. That's one way. Okay. The other way that I like to use is you go and answer some questions. You can do this on Facebook. You can do this on other sites as well. But my personal favorite is Quora.com. Okay, Quora.com. I'm just going to use my Homemade Entrepreneur account. You can see it right here. Okay, this is me. Anyway, so I'm going to go and search for wedding game. Okay, topic, wedding games. Now, I don't know if there's going to be much here, but we're going to look anyway. Okay, so there's none. Let's see, party games. Topic, party games. There should be a little bit more here. See if we can answer some questions. Okay, what is a fun dinner party game? Okay, now that was asked quite a while ago, but we could answer that question. What are the steps of creating a scavenger hunt? What if we did, let's just type that in. So I'm going to type that in. I am just going to go ahead and copy it. And I'll paste it. There we go. Scavenger hunt printable. Let's see. Scavenger hunt game instant download. Cool. Printable scavenger hunt sheets. Okay, cool. Bachelorette party scavenger hunt. Cool. Do you see what I'm showing you right here? This is money. This is stuff that you can be making money on right now. Okay? Look at this. Look how simple this is. Okay? Now I'm not saying go and copy this whole thing, but I'm saying if we were to use Canva.com, let's say we take this whole thing. Let's just go create a different one. Okay? Take this whole thing. We're going to create another design right there. Okay? So we're going to create our design, and we want it to look exactly like this one right here. Okay? So we want it pink. So let's get a template. So there's our template right there. Cool. We're going to delete that. We're going to, we'll move that up. Okay, we're going to go add some more text. Okay, we're going to add, say right here. There we go. That's our text. So this is where you will add your hunt items. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. You get the idea. We're going to take all this. If I could actually do it. Take all this, I'll just do it right there. Anyway, take all that and we're going to change it. There we go. There's our thing. Okay? Pretty simple, right? Now, obviously, I'd make some changes. It doesn't look great, but you get the idea. Okay? Bridal, shower, scavenger hunt. There we go. That's our thing. Okay? So it's that simple. It seriously is that simple. Okay? But let's say, what are steps to creating a scavenger hunt? Well, you can list all steps, but then what you do is you list all the steps. Let's say this is my link I'm going to use. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, there are a lot of great ways to create a scavenger hunt. I know I didn't spell it right. What I suggest is that you start off by figuring out what your theme actually is. Here is a link of one that you might want to follow. Okay, and I paste my link right there. And then I comment. Okay, what's going to happen is that link right there, it's going to show up. Okay, and so this one right here, how to create a scavenger hunt. It's a link to WikiHow. Great. Okay, so that's all we're going to do. I'm just going to add a link right there. Okay, pretty simple. It's very, very simple. Okay, and the best part about doing this is that you can do this on a bunch of different answers. So this is just one. I'm going to actually get out of that one. Let's see. What are the wildest party games you have played? Maybe I'll answer that one. What are some good drinking adult games that you can play? Maybe there's one here. Drinking game printable. Let's just see. Bridal shower drinking game. Printable bachelorette games. Bridal bachelorette party games. Drinking. Drink if bachelorette party game. Okay. And let's see. Now there's a bunch more. Truth or Dare. Instant download. Okay. These things are selling. This is selling for $2.50. Has 7 reviews. Okay. Let me show you something. Okay. I'm just gonna do a quick 8%, but 2.5 times Okay, so minus 8%, you can roughly make about $2.30. Minus your fee, you're gonna make about $2 off every single sale. $2 off every single sale. If you multiply that by 30 days in a month, that is $63 at the end of the month that you made from this one thing. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's money. That is money. You can make money easily. Okay, if you do what I show you. Okay, come over here to Etsy and come up with something that you can do that is printable. Then you come over here to canva.com and you create your design. If you don't know how to create it, hire somebody. Go to fiverr.com, hire somebody to do it for you. However, you're going to have to pay them, which means you're going to be already starting your business at a slight loss, which is not a big deal, especially if it only costs you $5 to $10 to create your whole business. But you go and you post it here on Etsy. You can also post it on eBay. Okay. Then you go and you promote it a little bit over on Quora.com. Once it gets a little bit of steam, get your first, second, third, maybe fifth sale, it's going to start to bump up the search. So instead of ranking in, in the 1,000 results, it's going to show up in maybe the first couple pages, the first page. Once it starts showing up in the top 8, that's where you really start to see sales, okay? And that's what I recommend. So use Quora as a kind of platform to boost your sales, but you want to make sure that your listing is created the right way so that it's getting organic traffic, because that is what's going to build your business. So if you remember from the beginning of this video, I said this method isn't really complicated. It's not extremely complex, and it's not. You go to Etsy, okay? You go create an account. You upload your different designs, your different listings, okay, which cost you 20 cents to list, okay? And like I showed you, I'll walk you through, show you the math. You can make some money. You can make some good money doing this, selling $5 products. That's it. $5 products can make you $100 every single month if you stay consistent, if you keep doing this. And eventually it's gonna go from $5 a day to $10 to $15 to $20. At the end of the month, you have $1,000 business. Okay, you gotta understand, this is a business. It's not just a hobby. You can turn it into a legitimate business if you are serious about it. So, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.